Aircarft noise continues to be a red-hot debate between politicians and residents living underneath the flight path.
Yeah, and the thing I find interesting about this, Craig, is that the people who run our country's airports, you know, the big fat cats who make all the decisions, the path's never over their suburb, is it?
No, it isn't. It's not. I mean, take the chairman of Sydney Airports, for instance, Max Moore-Wilton. He doesn't live right under the flight path. He wouldn't know what it's like to be woken up by an aircraft noise at 5 a.m. in the morning. So I thought it was about time he did.